Hi guys! So today I was thinking about doing an unboxing of the first Nintendo system, the Nintendo Entertainment System. So the price tag is still on. That is in Swedish or Norwegian krones, I think. So let's open it up. Okay, let's do this. Ta-da! There it is. This, I think, is how to become a member of the Club Nintendo back in the days. Oops. Put that over there. Instruction manual. I really need to get a stand for a camera or something. I'm just using my phone now. Nothing exciting in here. You can see how you connected it. Back in the days on the old TVs. And here we have the console. It's not wrapped in plastic. There's the game. Come with it. Everything's in here. I took a look earlier and even the controls here look brand new. Super Mario Brothers. It looks brand new. There's a funny story about this Nintendo. I got it from some neighbors. And they didn't use it. It was just lying around and it's almost never been used. So I got really lucky. Let's take a look here. Move over here. There's the old games. And again, sorry about the camera. Ultimate Super Stick. That's one spaced stick. Kind of fun, cool. This is Super Mario Brothers instruction booklet. That is in Finnish, I think. I can't read that. Kind of cool. Let's take it out. Here it is. And even this looks almost brand new. Maybe I have to test it out, see if it works. No digital connections there. So that's it. Hope you liked it.